Welcome to our video on iPhone 15, the latest smartphone from Apple. In this video, we will explore the popularity of Apple and what people expect from the company, the upcoming iPhone 15 series, its models, and the new features that Apple has introduced in the Apple iPhone 15. Apple is one of the most popular smartphone manufacturers in the world, known for its innovative and high-quality products. People expect Apple to continue to push the boundaries of technology and introduce new features and improvements with new release. People expect Apple to continue to push the boundaries of technology and introduce new features and improvements with each new release. The iPhone 15 series includes the iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Each model has its own unique features and specifications designed to meet the needs of different users. Apple officially unveiled them on September 12, 2023, simultaneously introducing the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max variants, along with the Apple Watch Series 9 and Apple Watch Ultra 2. The anticipated release date for these devices is September 22, 2023, and the customers can start pre-ordering them beginning September 15. The iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max are the smartphones designed and marketed by Apple Incorporation. They are the 17th generation flagship iPhones, succeeding the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. The devices were unveiled alongside the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus during the Apple event at Apple Park, California on September 12, 2023. In 2021, the European Commission initiated discussions on a proposal mandating the USB-C as the standard connector for all devices in the European Union, including iPhones. Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo predicted Apple would phase out its proprietary Lightning connector by 2023, anticipating the EU proposal's approval. In October 2022, this proposal became law as the Radio Equipment Directive, with Apple confirming its compliance with the same month. So iPhone 15 and 15 Plus, the 15 Pro and Pro Max switched to USB-C to adhere to the EU's Directive 2022/2380, introduced in 2022. Apple had already introduced the USB-C to its devices with the third generation iPad Pro in 2018. Additionally, the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max feature a titanium frame and slimmer display borders. Now we will have a look on the colors that iPhone 15 will be available in. The iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus will be available in 5 new colors: blue, pink, yellow, green, and black. The enclosure of the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max will be made of titanium. They will be available in the colors natural titanium, blue titanium, white titanium, and black titanium, which looks like space black used on iPhone 14 Pro. The iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max will use USB-C with USB 3 transfer speeds, an improvement over the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 15 and 15 Plus base models, with only have USB 2.0 transfer speeds. All iPhone 15 models have support for the DisplayPort alternate mode over USB-C video output with HDR up to 4K resolution. Previous iPhone models from iPhone 5 to iPhone 14 Pro had a maximum supported resolution of 1600 by 900, slightly less than 1080p, with the Lightning Digital AV adapter due to the technical constraints of the Lightning connector. The iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max feature an action button, replacing the mute switch. The function of the action button can be configured by the user. By default, the action button toggles silent mode. Other options include opening the camera, recording a voice memo, or toggling a focus mode. The iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max will launch with iOS 17. Apple iOS 5-year plan is a strategic approach aimed at providing software updates and support to its devices for a period of up to 5 years from their initial release. Under this plan, Apple ensures that iPhones, iPads, and iPods receive software updates to keep them current and secure, allowing users to enjoy the devices for an extended period. It's important to note that not all devices are eligible to receive the latest software updates. For instance, the upcoming iOS 17 update will not be available for the devices like iPhone 10, iPhone 8, and iPhone 8 Plus. That's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.